we've been buying this product for a while. The bag is not resealable. You're going to have to cut it. As you see, it's not resealable, so you'll need to have a clip of some sort to keep it fresh. It's kibble, so it's just little brown little nuggets. They're not big. This version is a small kind. And here is our waiting participant. He's very finicky. So if there's something he doesn't like, he doesn't eat it. And I think it's going to be, oh yeah, it's a winner. He likes it. So it's good kibble, it's good food, it's good for his coat. You see he's beautiful, you see he likes it. My only con is that the bag's not resealable.